guys, today in this episode I'm going to show you how to integrate Gemini API into Android Studio, and now I'm developing Jetpack Compose apps. So for the first time we have to get the Gemini API key and add the Gemini API key in the local property file here, and then come back to Build.Gradle file. We have to write a function to get the API key from local properties. And also we have to import the properties here. Put this code on the top of your Build.Gradle module app, and then in the buildTypes we declare the debug config field with Gemini API key, and we declare the buildConfigField in here, string Gemini API key, getApiKey, and under this we have to, in the build features, we have to enable the build config. So we have to write build config equal true, and of course to fetch the API we have to use retrofit and OKHTTP, and even if you want to display the images, we have to use core library. So in my Android bus playlist, I added the video to show you how to add the retrofit and OKHTTP. Alright, so this is what I have. I declare in the data folder. I create a Gemini request like contents, tag, and Gemini response like this, and create a Gemini repository to get the response. Alright. So let me show you how Gemini works in my app. Okay. We have to wait on Android Studio. And here's a bonus tip. I'm using the Android Studio latest version like Meerkat. And to update the latest version of Android Studio, I recommend you to install JetSpring Toolbox. That's easy to update your Android Studio by click the update button and then just waiting for the updating Android. Alright, so I will jump to the improve my diet. So I will, alright, AI motivation here. Okay, so I will generate motivation tip. Hey there, Cham, your high score, and see my tip here. It will generate a response from the API, and yeah, of course you need to create a function to build the prompt and send the request to the Gemini API, and then all you need is just create a response and then display it on the screen. Alright, see you guys next time, and don't worry, I will copy the code in Build.Gradle and paste under my video description. Okay, make sure you have to check my description, and if you find this video helpful and it helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Bye, see you guys next time.